If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. By default, Acrobat automatically applies Arabic numerals to pages in a PDF document with the first page of the document as page 1. You can change the way that pages are numbered in a PDF. For example, you can omit page numbering from a title page and start page numbering from the second page in the PDF. To omit page numbering from a title page of a PDF in Acrobat, open a multi-page PDF and click the Pages button in the navigation pane to show the Pages panel at the right side of the screen. Click the cover page thumbnail in the Pages panel to select it. Then click the Options button in the upper right corner of the Pages panel and choose the Page Labels command from the drop-down menu. In the Page Labels dialog box that then opens, click the From option button and enter 1 in both the From and To fields. This tells Acrobat to only apply the selected numbering to the first page of the PDF. Then ensure the Begin New Section option button is selected in the numbering section. Then choose None from the Style drop-down menu to hide the page number from the cover page. Then click the OK button in the dialog box to apply it. Acrobat applies your change, and the second page of the PDF then becomes page 1. Notice how the thumbnail image is changed to reflect your page numbering choice. If needed, to then change the page numbering for the rest of the PDF, click the second page's thumbnail in the Pages panel, click the Options button, and then click the Page Labels command again. Then enter a page range to number from page 1 to the last page of your document into the From and To fields in the Pages section of the dialog box. Remember, the title page no longer has a page number, so page 1 is now the PDF's second page. Then click the Begin New Section option and choose a numbering style from the Style drop-down menu. Optionally, to add prefix characters to the page numbering in Acrobat, type them into the prefix field. To choose with which number to begin page numbering for the selected pages if desired, type the starting page number into the Start field. To finish, click the OK button. Acrobat then applies your choices and changes the page numbers in the PDF. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.